Listen and practice English. Subscribe for more videos. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Adam. My name is Adam.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Los Angeles, California. I am from Los Angeles, California.
What do you do for living? What do you do for living?
I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 28 years old. I am 28 years old.
Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is tacos. My favorite food is tacos.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go to work by subway. I go to work by subway.
What day is today? What day is today?
Today is Friday. Today is Friday.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
I went to work and I did the shopping. I went to work and I did the shopping.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I am playing the piano. I am playing the piano.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog. My favorite animal is dog.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
What is your favorite music? What is your favorite music?
My favorite music is hip-hop. My favorite music is hip-hop.
What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
I play video games. I play video games.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball. My favorite sport is basketball.
Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar. No, I can't play the guitar.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking. No, I don't like cooking.